Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a to-do list in Excel like this. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Let's get started. First select arrange for checkboxes, then click insert. Here select checkboxes. Now select all the tasks along with checkboxes. Then click Home tab. From here, select Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule. Then choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here type equal. Then select the first checkbox and then press F4 two times. Then type equal true. Select Format. From here, check Strike Through and color. Select your favorite color. I'm gonna select this one, it looks good. Okay, then click OK, again OK. So now if I select this one, it looks pretty good. To track the progress, then write these functions. COUNTIF, select the whole range. If one of them is true, right, then divide this by count all. Guys, this function will find percentage, right? Now if I check the tasks, it will track the percentage, right? Guys, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.